can always see the name. They say they want a real one. They say they want a real one to make them feel young.
Hey yo, what is good, family? Welcome back to Astro Nori for another video. Today I'm gonna actually finally be unboxing all my week 1 items. I believe that most of my shit is here. Hey, I don't even know honestly, but I got hella packages right here and I am gonna get into those today. But if you do end up enjoying this video, go ahead and leave a like down below, subscribe to the channel if you are new, and do enjoy any type of Supreme content, because literally I've been pumping out shit like crazy and I ain't stopping no time soon. We're literally about to hit 10K probably in like a week or so, hopefully. Shit, but if you want to enter in a giveaway, go ahead and click that link at the top of the description. You might have a chance to win a Supreme tee. But without any further ado, man, let's get straight into this video. I was not lying, bro. I got hella packages to show y'all today, so let's not waste any time and get straight into this shit. Obviously this is open. These are the 2 items that Dylan got me, and that's the only reason I did a review on this piece right here. If y'all want to watch that, go ahead and watch it down below. We got the shoulder bag in here. I already did a review on this piece, so if y'all want to go ahead and check that out, I'm gonna put it right here for y'all. But this piece is sick. I love the fact that it has Supreme going all across it. Got that Supreme BOGO on the front. Honestly, I got 2 colors of this and I don't know which one I'm gonna keep. I might hold both of them and sell a couple other things. I honestly just don't know, bro, but this shit is hard. Don't get it twisted. This shit is crazy for real though. But yo, go check out that Project 88. Y'all already know this hoodie go dummy, bro. Like, I feel like I could freak this. This shit go hard. First pickup was honestly this shoulder bag right here. Alongside the shoulder bag, he got me this beanie right here. This is probably one of my favorite beanies from the lookbook. This shit is crazy, bruh. And something that I noticed is that every beanie has like its own little flair to it. Like the tie-dye on this beanie won't be the same that you'll see on another one. It's like the same concept, but it won't end up being the same because it is tie-dye, you feel me? But we got that Supreme BOGO on the front right there. And typically I don't get shit with tags because I don't go in store. I don't know why, but shit, we got the tag on this one right here, that teal blue joint. Shit crazy, bro. I fucks with this for sure. Definitely one of my favorite beanies. I love the quality on this. It's like a thicker material and I honestly really like it. Second pickup was this beanie right here. If y'all want to see any reviews on any of these things, let me know, because I will do an in-depth review or detailed review for you guys. But yeah, we got this bag right here. Y'all already know how they come in. Supreme box logo. That's regular though. We got our first shower cap right here. I'm gonna open these at the end for y'all. We got the stickers right here. Honestly, these stickers are type cheeks. These aren't the ones that I want, but we got the fronts one right there, which is honestly all right. This one right here, it's for you to put on all your fruits. Got the little BOGO on it. Then we got the regular BOGO on the back. Shit's all right. We gonna get into these at the end as well. And in this package, we got the master lock. Now this shit is fire, bro. The size on this is fairly decent in my opinion. It looked like it was gonna be smaller, but it's all right. Like, this is dope. It got the Supreme wrapping around the bottom of it. I don't feel like I'm gonna open this just yet, but it go dummy, you feel me? Got that Supreme box logo on the actual packaging. Super sick. I'm probably just gonna put this somewhere in my room until I actually need it for something. Another thing that I actually noticed is that the password says 1994 on it. I don't know if y'all will be able to see. That's a little detail that they didn't even have to do, but they did, and it's just cool, you feel me? I honestly like this color more than the black one. Maybe I'm tripping, but I'm gonna put this right here. We're gonna get into this package right here. This feels like a T because of the way that it's shaped. Got the bag, y'all already know. In here, we got the same sticker pack once again. Same 3 stickers. Type cheeks, I ain't even gonna lie. We got another shower cap in here, and then we got this tee right here, which is the knot tee. I actually might be selling this on my resale account, which is gonna be linked down below. I might be raffling this off actually, so stay tuned for that. I don't know when I'm gonna post it, but this is definitely gonna be up there. For the sake of the person who's gonna buy this, I don't think it's right if I open it, but I am gonna be opening everything that is for the personal, which is a lot of shit that I got, honestly. It got all these little tangled designs on it. Then on the bottom of the design, it says Supreme on it. It's pretty sick in my opinion. It's just not my style, and I feel like I have a lot of black tees, so this one is one I could definitely let go for you guys, so stay tuned for that. This is gonna be on Astro Bodega, coming real soon for the raffles. Y'all already know. Another bag in here. Shit, I really hope I get the good stickers, because so far, all right, we got the little demonetized sticker right here. I ain't really fucking with that one. It's all right, you feel me, but it's nothing over the top. We got the red box logo behind it, then we got that middle finger to the world. Honestly, I like the sticker more than the shirt. That's just the way I'm coming with that one. And here we got the little organizer pouch, which is another piece that I actually am gonna be raffling off to you guys. This is the black colorway. I want to get the best shots possible without opening somebody else's package, you feel me? Because I just don't want to do that. We got that Supreme right there. Then it has Supreme literally blasted all across it. I'm trying to get the light not to reflect on it so y'all can see. Y'all can see that Supreme right there. It's literally blasted all over the whole thing. This piece is pretty cool. Once again, we do have another shower cap, so we're up to 3 so far. And hey, this shit go dummy. I feel like everything now that I open is gonna be for the personal, so I'm gonna actually be able to dig into the package for you guys. Yo, I'm not gonna lie, now that I'm looking at this shit, I feel like there's some packages missing, and that's kind of a bummer because I thought I'd be able to post it now. I don't know how I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna see, bro. Another bag. We got a front sticker, this sticker right here, and a regular box logo. Hopefully I get another one of the Lena with the swan type shit box logo, because I like having at least 2 of each. We got another one of these right here. Shit, I like these shits. Shit, I'm gonna just keep stacking them up. So far we got 4. In this one we got this shoulder bag. Now this one is one that I'm debating on raffling, but this is a tough one. I might actually end up keeping this shit because I love the red one. I thought I wouldn't like it as much as I do. Yeah, bro, this red go crazy. I like this red shoulder bag a lot. It got that Supreme literally everywhere, which is pretty sick. I don't even know what to say about it, honestly. It's just a fire piece. Let me know if y'all want this, bro, but shit, I don't know, bro. Definitely a fire piece right here. This one actually does have Supreme inside all the fabric. I feel like that's leftover fabric from the last season ones because the light blue does not have that. And since they didn't have a light blue shoulder bag last season, I feel like that's where that came from. So some of these might actually have the little Supreme on it inside, but the green and the blues, I doubt they will, honestly. Fire piece right here though. Definitely like these. I like these shoulder bags a lot. I'm not even gonna lie. Next up, we got this package right here. I didn't know that was gonna happen in this video, but I'm about to just show y'all anyways. So this company, Profound Aesthetics, actually hit me up about sending me some jeans. Their jeans are about $100, and I feel like we will have a coupon code for you guys if you are interested in some of these jeans right here. I feel like these go dummy. These right here are the light acid wash denim jeans. What I do like is that on the back they have this little thing, and it just gives it like an accent, like a little pop, you feel me? If you wear this with the red shoulder bag, you don't think it's a lot, but it works. It got the light distressing right there. Simple, you feel me? Real simple. They don't got zips at the bottom, which I honestly kind of like for these. I might throw them on and show y'all how they look. These go dummy, bro. I actually really like these. It has the tags at the back right here. This feels like a thicker type of denim. It's not as light as brands like H&M and shit like that. This feels like a way better material, and as far as fit goes, I feel like if you want the loose fit on them, you can size up, but for the most part they are true to size. I like the light distressing right here, but as you can see on this next pair that I'm about to show y'all, you can never go wrong with a little bit of distressing. Literally off-white go dummy with this. If you got the red zip on the sneakers, then you got this on the pants. These go hard. If you are interested in these, go ahead and use that promo code right there. I'm gonna link them down below if y'all want to go ahead and get some of their jeans. Here we got the second pair. These are probably my favorite. I'm not even gonna lie. It's like this light wash denim. You got the rips in the knees right here, but it's nothing over the top, you feel me? Once you wear them, you won't be able to see this big hole. It'll mainly be your knees. Then you got the same one on the other side. On the bottom, you don't really got much distressing, which is really good, honestly. You got like little wear and tear on the bottom, which I really like. It just has like a good feel to it, honestly. They do have some type of stretch to it, which is also good when you wear denim, so you ain't, you feel me, choked up. This right here is genius. I love this because it gives it a little pop, you feel me? When you wearing that, it just gives it a little pop, and I really like it. These are called the light blue destroyed denim. You cannot go wrong with these. Crazy, bro. Definitely like these a whole lot. I like the fact that I got 2 blue jeans, but they're different at the same time. So definitely go ahead and check them out. I'm gonna leave the promo code in the description, and I'm gonna also pop it up on the screen for you guys. I'm gonna get into these last 2 packages. I feel like there is some stuff missing. So this is the most recent package I've got. Right here we got the kids sticker. We got the Christopher Walken sticker on the back right there, and a regular box logo. Honestly, I needed that Christopher Walken sticker, so this is a good one. We got another shower cap. Oh, why? This package is fairly big, and here we got the little inflatable thing. I'm gonna open this up for y'all. This is definitely for the personal, bro. This is the little inflatable. I'm gonna probably inflate this in the B-roll and show y'all. I'm gonna just open it up for now. I should have probably went with the green one, I'm not gonna lie, but shit, this one is still hard. I like the size on this, honestly. It's pretty fucking big for what I thought it was gonna be. We got the Howl right there, which is the actual brand that they collabed with for this. It's like right here. I'm gonna show y'all in the B-roll if you can't see it. This is a fairly big inflatable. I'd say probably like 2 feet. Shit, this is gonna look really sick in the room. I'm actually really digging this right here. Definitely a fire piece. Here we got probably one of my favorite tees that dropped. Right here we got this navy King of New York tee. This one go dummy. I honestly like the navy colorway because the blues definitely go with the navy perfectly. This one go hard right here, bro. Whoever slept on this tee is gonna regret it as the years come. Trust me on that. This is a fire piece. I like the navy as much as I like the black, specifically on this piece right here, because like I said before, there's a lot of tones that are blue on it, so the way that it looks on blue is just perfect in my opinion. It says King of New York at the bottom, has his signature right under it, then it says Supreme right there, and the signature that they usually do for these tees. Honestly, this piece right here go crazy. I'm feeling this one for sure with that light blue shoulder bag and one of those Profound Aesthetics pants. Crazy, bro. I'm trying to tell y'all. The last piece that we had in that package is this right here, the kitchen towels. This one is one that I'm debating on opening because I feel like these will get messed up. I'm gonna probably want to use these when I get my own crib one day, so I don't know if I'm gonna take these out. We got that black on the front right there. We got the red on the bottom. I honestly like the red one a lot, and I feel like the blue one in the middle is gonna look sick as well. I'm gonna just keep these because I feel like these either will go up in value or I'm gonna end up using this for my own crib one day. I got hella space down here, but I don't know where the fuck I would put this, so I'm gonna just hold this to the side, ride it out, just ride it out. But in here, if y'all saw my live cop, y'all already know what's in here. Shit, I feel like this is probably one of my favorite things that I got, and this is definitely gonna be hung up either up there, over there. This shit is going somewhere, bro. I'm not even gonna lie, bro. This shit go crazy. This is dope, bruh. We got this airbrushed floral skate deck right here. We do have another shower cap in here, which that makes 6 so far, and I am missing a package or 2. Come on, son. You cannot go wrong with this. Imagine just seeing this in my videos up there. Come on, bruh. Crazy. It does say Supreme New York right there. It says Supreme New York on the edge in a couple different places, but this design is perfect for springtime. It's just an overall really good piece. If you're gonna skate it, it's fire, and if you're gonna display it, it's just as fire. Honestly, like, I can't go wrong with this. I'm so excited that I actually got it specifically in the black colorway because I feel like it pops more. Alright, y'all, so as I promised, I was gonna bring y'all the last 2 packages or last 2 pieces that I was waiting on. It did take like 2 days after I said that shit, so I decided to post it on Saturday for y'all, but I'm still here, you feel me? We still about to post this. I ain't even gonna hold y'all. I opened the shit because I was really not trying to waste any time. But in here we got our 7th shower cap. This one came a little beat up, but you know, it's all right. Bang, 7th shower cap in there. We got some more stickers, which I'm gonna get into at the end. We got the 2 best stickers, you feel me? We gonna get into these at the end. And we got this first piece right here. These are the last 2 tees that I was waiting for. We got this one. Honestly, I am gonna open this for y'all. This tee right here is hard. I don't know whether I'm gonna keep it or not. I honestly love that purple on black. It just gives me a good vibe, you feel me? Definitely gonna be holding on to this one. This is the real shit long sleeve. I don't know, bro. I'm gonna just hold on to this one because I love black tees, and the purple on this one is a vibe, you feel me? It's a complete vibe. On the back of this one, we do got something right there. We got like 2 graves. That's Vincent van Gogh's grave and Theodore Van Gogh. I don't know who Theodore Van Gogh is, but I know that Vincent obviously was the artist. This is a clean thing to have on the back. It's not too graphic, but it screams Supreme to me. It's like some off the wall type shit. This is clean, bro. Definitely a fire piece. I would have wished it had something on the sleeve, but hey, that's a little bit too much to ask for. So we definitely gonna be freaking this one in the springtime. Y'all already know I'm racking up on long sleeves because that's gonna be the vibe this spring. This is clean right here. And this last piece is probably my favorite piece that I copped this whole video, but this right here goes crazy, bro. This is the creeper tee in the baby blue colorway. Yeah, this one's most definitely for the personal. This baby blue colorway goes crazy to me, bro. I don't know if y'all gonna be able to get the exact color that it is, but it's like a super baby blue color. I'm gonna try to turn it down for y'all so y'all can see. Peep that right there. Shit is hard, bro. I actually love this piece. The ribbon that the dude is holding of the skeleton has Supreme all over it. Has Supreme right there on the little camera goggles type shit. This one goes crazy. It's a little bit out there once again, but it's not OD, you feel me? It screams Supreme, but it's not horrific type shit. I actually do really like this one, and this one's probably one of my favorite pieces that I got. This is the last piece that I got. It doesn't have anything on the back, but it's all right. This one's really hard, actually. And that pretty much does it for this video. Let me know what y'all thought. I feel like I should add these into the video because I didn't want to make it incomplete. I wanted to have everything that I actually ordered inside the video so that I didn't have to make 2 separate parts. I wanted this to be a complete video for you guys. I'm gonna go ahead and quickly get into the stickers. I'm gonna get into one of the shower caps for y'all. We got the shower cap right here. It's alright, you feel me? It's just a Supreme shower cap, bro. Nothing more, nothing less. Got that little shower cap action on top of the beanie. I'm tripping. It's alright. We're gonna be alright. Feel me? Got the shower cap vibes on the top, melon top on the top. Feel me? I don't know if I should keep this. I look like a chef, bruh. Chef Nori in the building. We cooking up. I might wear this shit every week. If y'all smash the like button, I might go ahead and have to wear this shit. Hit 250 likes on this video, and I'm gonna go ahead and wear this shit for the next 2 live cops. Please. Don't do it. So nah, just go ahead and do it. If y'all make that benchmark, I have to do it, bro. I'm gonna go ahead and wear this shit for the next 2 live cops. But we did get 6 shower caps plus this one, so 7. Here are all the stickers we got as well. We got 6 box logos, 6 regular red BOGOs. We got 2 fruit stamp style stickers right here. We got 3 fronts sticker. I actually like the sticker more than the T, I'm not gonna lie. And this is actually the same size that the T has on it. It's like this big. It's pretty cool, you feel me? We got this middle finger to the world sticker. I honestly like this more than the T in itself. And it also looks like it is the same size as the thing on the T. It's alright, you feel me? If they would have made this design bigger on the T, it would have definitely done better. But this is alright. The sticker's pretty cool. We got this kid sticker, which is off the wall. It's a cool design, like a cool aspect. Why did they have to say that right there? But we did get 2 of these, which I'm really happy about. Got the King of New York sticker right there. This one's in good condition. The other one is type fuck. I'm gonna try to make them better. This is hard, you feel me? Definitely like this one right here. And last up, I got 2 of these. This is alright. This is not my favorite box logo by any means. And honestly, I wish that the font was white on it. It would probably cover some of it, but I feel like it would look way better. This is a pretty cool sticker though. I don't know why the swan is smelling up in there, but if you did end up enjoying this video, go ahead and leave a like down below. Subscribe to the channel if you are new and did enjoy this type of content. I definitely will keep these coming as time goes on. Anything Supreme I'm gonna cover. I actually am planning on covering more sneakers. I'm gonna probably do what to resell from this month as far as sneakers go or hype goes. Let me know what type of content y'all would want me to make down below. Hey man, leave a like, subscribe, click that Gleam link if you want to enter in a giveaway. But I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Alright, peace, stay up, and I'm out.
Never see the sun, always see the night. They say they want a real one, they say they want a real one to make them feel young.